EMA Web TV. We are here to talk about a book which was also presented here, but is of great interest in general for the field of farming. We're talking about precision agriculture with Michele Pisante, a professor at the University of Teramo and scientific director of the Edagricole Università in Formazione book series, and Raffaele Casa, who is a professor at the Tuscia University and also editor of the book, which is titled Precision Agriculture: Methods and Technologies to Improve the Efficiency and Sustainability of Crop Systems. First of all, we have to say that precision agriculture continues to revolutionize the way we produce food. Thanks to advanced technologies, sensors, AI, GPS systems, and drones, we can maximize, we can optimize and monitor the farming processes. I'd like to start by introducing this book, which you have edited. It's a book by many experts in this field. And I'd like to ask you, what are the main innovations, the most exciting innovations now in 2024 and at this EMA trade show? Thank you very much. I think the most exciting innovations are about the possibility of adopting to a larger extent precision agriculture by anyone, not necessarily large farms which have the possibility of investing, but anyone. Why am I saying this? Because precision agriculture has two components. First of all, monitoring the state of crops through sensors of different types, and also application on the field. Over the last few years, monitoring of crops through satellites, for example, has become the state of the art through platforms which allow for using free of charge very important sensitive data concerning the condition of crops. And this is illustrated in the book, also with practical examples on how you access this information and how it's used. So ease of access to monitoring data is one first feature. And then also in agriculture we have a great impact of AI. We use algorithms, especially deep learning algorithms, for distinguishing, for example, weeds from crops. This is a big advancement. This is illustrated in the book through a chapter which tries to illustrate the main machine learning concepts. This book has come to its second edition. It's a book which becomes obsolete soon because of the large amount of information it contains, but you had a bright idea. Apart from the text in the book, you also have additional digital material in order to keep the book updated all the time. And you're doing this within the Edagricole Università e Formazione series, which includes 20 volumes. Exactly. We published the first book, and it was titled Sustainable Agriculture. Each of the chapters has become a volume on its own. Advancement of knowledge may make the content of paper books obsolete. In spite of the evolution of technologies, however, books are still the best way to learn. But with digital materials, we can add tables and charts on a weekly basis for updating purposes. This is important. And the investments in training that we make, thanks to the results of research, can be made available to the users immediately. Yes, and also to complete my point, updating is something that you add on top of something, but the fundamentals are contained in the book, which is a collection of everything that one should know. Among the things that precision agriculture aims at is greater sustainability. In the light of the data collected so far, can we confirm that this goal has been reached or not? I would say yes, absolutely yes. Many precision farming applications have allowed for reducing the amount of plant chemicals, fertilizers, yet keeping productivity good, at a good level. This is also demonstrated by less use of herbicides, of weed killers, using site-specific spraying and not blanket spraying. The book also talks about the possibility of using drones for treatment purposes, for plant treatment purposes, with savings and greater operator safety. So behind us is AIMA 2024 with many booths. You were walking around in the area where machines are exhibited. What's your suggestion? Any person visiting places with such a high level of technology should first study and know technology before making any choice, because the more you know about the use and impact of these technologies, the more you can overcome false myths. For example, size of the machines rather than the value of technology. So, Agricoltura di Precisione, Precision Agriculture, published by Edagricole, sums up all this. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining us.